Hi friends, thanks for joining me on this video of daily routine. We will talk about daily routine in this video. You will learn how to speak about your daily routine. Many times in interview there is a question asked to you, talk about daily routine or tell us something about your daily routine. And there are many candidates, there are many aspirants who commit mistakes while speaking their daily routine. And they mix up with the tenses when they speak about daily routine. So remember friends, whenever you talk about your daily routine, you have to talk it in present tense. Always remember daily routine should be in present tense, and try to frame short sentences so that you can easily communicate with the person who is taking your interview and express your daily routine in a very impressed manner. For that, you have to be well planned, and it would be great if you plan your daily routine and practice your daily routine verbally 4 5 times so that you will not commit mistakes while giving an interview. So let's begin with today's video. I will teach you how to describe your daily routine. So let's start. I get up early in the morning. First sentence you have to say, I get up or I wake up early in the morning. This is when you start your day. Next, after freshening myself for the day. When you say after freshening myself for a day, it involves or it includes bathing, brushing, and every activity of the morning. You don't have to describe activity in words. You can say after freshening myself for a day. That means you have got ready for the day. I offer my prayers to the God. You have to say, I offer my prayers to the God. Instead of that, you should say, I worship to the God. It's an old word. You should say, I offer my prayers to the God. I take my breakfast at 8 a.m. Don't say breakfast, you should say breakfast. I take my breakfast or I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. You can describe the time if you want, there's no issue on it. Then I leave for office at 8:30. That means I go to office at 8:30. I reach my office and start my work around 10 a.m. I reach my office and start my work. So you take around 1.5 hours or 2 hours to reach to your office. Then I take lunch with my friend Prabhakaran. Here I have included the name of my friend. You can use your friend's name, and you can skip it also, there's no issue. I take lunch with my friend Prabhakaran. He comes at 2:30. So friends, point out this, he comes at 2:30 p.m. So here we are describing all the sentences in present tense. So when you use third person singular, he, she, it, or someone's name, then you have to use s or es with the verb. Don't go in the past tense. Daily routine always should be expressed in a present tense. Then we talk for some time and move back to our respective works. So after taking lunch, we have a word, we have a small talk for some time, then we go back to our works. Then come at the right side. I get off. Get off means I stop my work or I leave from office. I get off from work after say after 6 p.m. So I have not described time over here. After 6 p.m. it may be like 6:30, 6:10, 6:15. Then I wait for my friend at bus stop. We return to our homes together. We both return to our homes together. So I wait for my friend, then he comes at bus stop, then we come back to our homes together. Then I relax at home with high tea. So when I reach home, I relax with high tea. Here, high tea means evening tea with snacks. When you take evening tea with snacks, that becomes your high tea. So this is how you have to use all the sentences in present tense in daily routine. I spend some time with my family. We have dinner at 9:30 p.m. I read some good books before retiring for the day. That means before going to bed or like before going to sleep. I read some good books. then I go to sleep around 11 p.m. So these are the sentences, but this is a complete daily routine which talks about present simple tense. So you have to express your daily routine in present tense, and please remember the tips which I have told you while describing the points of daily routine, and you have to use these phrases and practice this daily routine for around 5-10 times. That will make you fluent and that will give you a good practice, so you will not fumble up in front of the interviewer, and that it will help you out to prepare a second question of interview. Like first question they ask you, like, tell me something about yourself. In tell me something about yourself, you have to uh, talk about yourself, or you have to give your self introduction. But when they ask you, tell me something about your daily routine or daily activities. Here, basically, this question is asked to check your tense. How much knowledge do you have for the tense? So, the moment you speak your daily routine, your tenses are clear, and your your interview go accordingly. If you give your daily routine impeccably without any mistake, then they will ask you further question. Otherwise, if you like commit mistakes in your daily routine, they may not proceed further and they may say you bye. So practice this daily routine the way I have described in this video, and have a verbal and written practice both. If you write and then practice it 4 5 times, you will like have a plan, and then you can modify it as per your convenience or as per your requirement. So you should say like, let's have a recap. You should say like, good morning friends, my daily routine is I wake up or I get up early in the morning. After freshening myself for a day, I offer my prayers to God. I have or I take my breakfast around 8:30 p.m. Then I leave for office. I reach my office around 10 o'clock. I start my work. I take my lunch with my friend. He comes at 2:30 p.m. Then we have our lunch. We have a small chat for a while. Then we go back to our works. I get off. That means I leave office or I get off from the work at 6 o'clock or after 6 o'clock. Then I wait for my friend at the bus stop. He comes, then we come back to our homes together. I spend some time with my family members. I take high tea or evening tea. Then I have my dinner. After that, I read some books. Then I go to bed at 11 o'clock. This is your daily routine. So, friends, do write small sentences and don't mix your tense. You have to speak in present tense when you talk about your daily routine. So, this is the first, or this is the second question which you have prepared for your interview. So, do prepare your self introduction, then daily routine. I'll tell you more questions which are generally asked when you go for an interview. So practice this the way I have told you your daily routine. You can change out the information. There's no issue on it, but do stick to your present tense. I hope you have enjoyed this video of daily routine and express it. Practice it 5 6 times. It will help you out to get a command over your answers, and you can easily and comfortably give your answers in your interview. So I hope you have enjoyed this video of daily routine. Thanks for watching us. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and get latest information on your screen. If you have any doubt, you can write down on comment section. I'll talk to you there. And do take good care of yourself. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.